Good evening, all of you. The paper number, clerical 10 paper. See my first question, 66 to 70. 10 persons sit in two parallel doors, equivalent from each other in such a way that DEFGH row 1, MNOPQ row 2, row 1 facing south. So row 1 facing south, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and row 2 facing north, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, DEFGH row 1 facing south, DEFGH, and row 2 MNOPQ. Okay. Now M sit second to the right of N. Neither M nor N sit extreme end of the row. M is second right of N. If take it as N, M only chances. Take it as N, M only chances. They are telling M and N not in the extreme ends. The one who faces M adjacent to G. The one who faces M adjacent to G. Take it as one of the possibility. One who faces M adjacent to G. Take it as one more possibility. Inner, inner, outer, outer. One person is between G and E. G and E one person. E faces P. G and E one person here, G and E one person here, then G and E one person and E faces P is here. Okay. Next, who does not emanate left of N? So P is not emanate left of N. So P is not at all chance of here. So G and E only chances here and P is here. Okay. Two persons between F and D. F faces Q. So F and D, F faces Q. If there is a F, Q not possible, F, Q not possible. Only chance of F and Q, two persons T is here. F, Q not possible, F, Q not possible. If there is a F, two persons T and F faces Q. Next, Q does not sit to the left of O. Remaining person is Q only, F and Q and F and Q. So Q does not sit second to the left of O. Its remaining person is O, remaining person is O. Here Q is second to the left of O. So inner case is not possible, outer case only possible. The remaining person you can put the remaining person. Clear? Now, if G and N interchange their positions, then who sits second right of N? G and N interchange. So there is a N only. Then who is second right of N? Second right of N is what? E. So option A is the right answer. 67. Dash and dash are immediate neighbors of N. Q and P are immediate neighbors of N. So P and Q. Option D is the right answer. Person who sits third right of G faces. Third right of G. First right, second right, third right of G faces N. Option C is the right answer. What is the position of D with respect to F? What is the position of D with respect to F? First, second, third to the left of the person. Third to the left. Option D is the right answer. Who among the following persons at the extreme end of the row? Either FG, QO. There is a QO. So option D is the right answer. Next. Silogs. Only few wallets are money, some part of wallet is not a money. All health is wealth, some money is wealth. There is a some money is wealth, now all health is wealth. Only few wealth is blessing, some part of wealth is blessing, some part of wealth is not a blessing. Some wallet are not wealth. This is wallet, this is wealth. They are not given any restriction about these two, they are taking not. So not follows. All health can never be in the sense not only. All health is not blessing. All health is not blessing. Yes or no? Yes or no? Follows, not follows? Not follows. So neither one, not two follows. Because of health is going to chance on the gada. 1 minute. All houses are flat. All houses are flat. Only few apartment is rent. All flat is rent. Only few apartment is rent. Some part of apartment is rent, some part of apartment is not rent. Only few houses are terrace. Some part of houses is terrace, some part of houses is not a terrace. Next, some flats are not terrace. This is flat, this is terrace. They are not asking any restriction about these two, not follows. Yeah, some flats are not terrace. In that low, yeah, fine ma, follows. Some flats are not terrace. Yes, this part of flat low, e flat and terrace a chance. Yes, follows. All apartment can never be. Can never be means not only. All apartments are not house. All apartments are not house. Yes. So both 1 and 2 follows. Option C is right answer. అవునమ్మా లోపల ఉంది కదా బట్ ఇది రెంట్ ఇచ్చాడు కదమ్మా ఇక్కడ నుంచి అపార్ట్మెంట్ ఉంది కదా దీని లోపల ఇదంతా ఉంది కదా హౌస్ దీని మొత్తానికి ఉన్నట్టే కదా దీని లోపల ఉంది కదమ్మా హౌస్ హౌస్ని all houses flat they are given. This is house, this is flat. Then all flat or rent is given. This is rent. Only few houses, only few apartment is rent. Some part of apartment is rent, some part of apartment is not rent. This is all is same na I am telling.
Sir, first flats are not terrace.
Yeah.
It is not about flat. It is about house which is inside.
So but house is inside of flat only na.
But condition is about houses.
Houses is inside flat only na. Yes, they are only telling not terrace. Yes, this part of flat, this part of house is not a terrace na. So means this part of flat means this part is not at all terrace na. So that's right na. So both 1 and 2 follows. Next, only fruit is orange. So all oranges. Fruit, orange is very restriction area. Some fruit is vitamin. Only few vitamin is healthy, some part of vitamin is not healthy. And all healthy is hygiene. Okay. All vitamin cannot be hygiene. They are not given about restriction about hygiene. So now you can free that hygiene. So not follows. Then some orange is fruit. This is orange, this is fruit. Yes. Some fruit is healthy, this is food, this is healthy. No, only 2 follows. Option C. Only correct is static. So all static is correct. Static is the restriction area. Only few correct is logic. Some part of correct is logic, some part of correct is not a logic. Only few logic is incorrect. Some part of logic is incorrect, some part of only few logic is incorrect. Okay. Some part of logic is not a incorrect. Every static can be correct. What is every meaning? All static can be correct. This is static, this is correct. This already done, so not follows. Then some logic is not incorrect. Yes, they are only telling. Some part of logic is not at all incorrect. Yes, follows. 50% means some incorrect can be correct. Some incorrect can be correct. Yes, they are asking can be. So both 2 and 3 follows. Option D is right answer ma. Then how many such numbers are there which are immediately preceded by prime number? So prime number and number I want. So prime number no, prime number no, prime number no. So 8 times 4 there is no prime number. Prime number yes, prime number yes. Next prime number yes. In that number maybe prime number, maybe number, just number they are saying. So how many? 3. Option A. If all the vowels and symbols are dropped from the arrangement, then which of the element will be the 5th element to the left of, 8th element from the right hand? 5th left of, 8th from the right hand, both are should be addition. 8 plus 5 13 from the right hand. After vowels and symbols dropped, symbol is dropped, vowel is dropped, symbol is dropped. Then 18 from the left hand, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Option C is the right answer. Find the odd one out. 5 hash percentage, 5 hash percentage, 1 gap, no gap. PR, 1 gap, no gaps. 4PE, 4PE, this is a no gap and 1 gap. DHJ, the 1 gap and no gaps. These only chances for there is no gap and there is 1 gap. And all these, this is 1 gap, no gap, and 1 gap, no gap. Option C is the different one. What is the sum of the numbers between J and dollar? Between J and dollar, so this is the J and this is dollar. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 17. 24. 24 plus 4. 28. 28 plus 2. 30. 30 plus 9. 39. So option B is right. Then coding, decoding. Which of the following will be the code for rupture? So what is the rupture chances? Where is the rupture? Here is the rupture and here is the rupture. The only third and fourth line. In the only third and fourth line, DH is here, DH is here. FZ no, NP no, HM no. So only DH. Option C. So the following may be the code for tenure society. So what is the tenure? Is a tenure. And there is only chance for tenure. DH not possible because of here. FZ not possible because of here. NP not possible because of here. Then HM. So your option must be HM. This cannot be answered. This cannot be answered. This maybe. This cannot be the answer. So what is the society? If there is not option, the final option is D is only. Then you can see that society also. But society rondose cannot be determined out there. What is the society? Here's a society. Then only society is here. Then VH. TM is not possible. Okay, HN. HN is not possible. VH. Cheppacha. Cheppalem. TM. Cheppalem. Cannot be determined. Option E is right answer because of you cannot find out for society. Next. Which of the following may be the code for managed district policy? So come on. First, managed district policy. There is no shortcut for here. Yeah, this is the district policy. District policy here. Then you can eliminate ratify and shifted. Any the shifted is here, shifted is here. Which is common for second and fourth line, ma? V. Yes, so VF can eliminate. What is the ratify answer? Here and answer only ratify is chances. What is that? NP. So BS and HN is answer for district policy na. Then managed. Is there any chance for managed? Yes, there is only chance for managed. What are the chances for managed? VF only chances. VF not possible. MH, GH or DH. DH not possible. GH also. MH ekkada ledhu kadamma. Yeah, BSHN the option unda. Then BSHN. This cannot be the answer. BSHN option E is right answer. Option E is right answer. Then MH, GH. They're asking maybe the code. They're asking maybe the code. Which of the following is for demanded argument? Okay. What is the demanded, ma? Demanded here and here. First and third line. Which is common first and third line? VH. No. TM. No. HN. No. So FZ, FZ. So your option must be FZ. This cannot be the answer. Then what is the argument? There's only chance for argument. There's only chance for argument. So VN gaani VH kan TM gaani inda migilipoyinayi kada rendu. Aa VH TM migilipoyinayi. So FZ VH or FZ TM. FZ VH or FZ TM. Option either A or C. Option D is the right answer. Either A or C. Now select the 5th, 8th, 10th, 13th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. File already వచ్చేసింది. Life. Then if only one word can be found, then select the last letter of the word is the answer. If more than one word, X is answer. So option A. Option A. How many pairs promotion? Tell me the numbers. 16, 18, 15, 13, 15, 20, 9, 15, 14. 14 and 15 is one pair already. Now come on. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. No. 18, 19, 20, 21. No. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. No. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 15 no possible, 20 not possible, 9 not possible, 15 not possible. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. No. 15, 16, 17, 18. No. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 20 not possible. 15, 16, 17, 18. 13, 14, 15, 16. 3 pairs. Only 3 pairs. Option B is right answer. 8 students sitting on a rectangle table but not in the same order. 4 persons sit on each corner and faces inside. Okay. 4 persons each corner and faces inside. So corners are facing inside. So corners are facing inside, middles are facing outside. Okay. M is second left of K. Who is immediate right of N? So M is second left of K. Take it as K is corner. Take it as K is middle of the side. M is second left of K. M is here and M is here. Who is immediate right of N? So K is immediate right of N. The only chance for N is here. K is immediate right of N. Only chance for N is here. Next, 2 persons between Q and N. So this case not possible. This case only possible. This case not possible. This case only possible. 2 persons between Q and N. The number of persons sit between P and R is same as R and O. P and R is same as R and O. So you don't know that. L does not sit any of the middle of the sides. L should be corner. So maybe this corner, maybe this corner, maybe this corner. So L is only chance for this corner because of L is corner only. And but sit opposite to P. L does not sit in middle of the side, then table, but sit opposite to P. L is opposite to P. This case not possible. Now, if there is a L, P is not possible. If there is a L, P. If there is a L, P. Okay. If I take it as L, if I take it as P, P and R and R and O. So P and R, R and O. P and R and O not possible. So L is not at all possible. P is not at all possible. Only chance for L and only chance for P. P and R, 2 persons. R and O, 2 persons. That's it. P and R 2 persons and R and O 2 persons. This case only possible here. Now move on to questions. Who among the following persons sit opposite to R? Opposite to R which person? M. The one who sit immediate left of O? Yes. Option B is the right answer. Who among the following persons sit fifth right of K? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth right of K is O. Option D is the right answer. If all the persons are made and sit on alphabetical order in the anti-clockwise direction starting from K. Starting from K, this is only clockwise, this is anti-clockwise direction. That remain unchanged. అన్ని ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఉన్నాయా? ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? ఆర్డర్లో ఉన్నాయా? లేవు కదా. కే తర్వాత ఏంటి? ఎల్ ఆర్డర్లో ఉన్నాయా? కేఎల్ ఎం ఎన్ ఓ పి క్యూ ఆర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ చేంజెస్. ఓన్లీ 1 ఎక్స్క్లూడింగ్ కే అన్నాడు. సో ఓన్లీ 1. ఆప్షన్ బి. Who among the following persons sit adjacent to Q? Who is that? L and O. Option C. V, W, X, Y, Z are sitting in a row facing north. This is one question. Is it? Single question. Okay. So VW XYZ sitting in a row facing north, W is between V and X. Y is to the left of Z. Who is one of the end? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 only. X is center of the row. Then who is immediate right of X? So W, V. Immediate right of X is who is that? Y. Option D is right answer. Then 8 persons, first of 8 different months, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Okay. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Now, can you please tell me the dates? 28, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, 31, 30. Okay. So each join in the month which has only 30 days. Take it as one possibility, take it as one possibility, take it as one more possibility. ఎలాగో రెండు తీసుకుంటాము, ఇంకొకటి పక్కన రాసుకోవడం అవసరం అనవసరం. ఓకే. Then E join in the month which has only 30 days. C join 3 months after E. First, second, C. First, second, C. This case is not possible. C join 3 months after E. Third month only. A join 1 month before H. A join 1 month before అని చెప్తే ఇమీడియటే కదా. 2 months before అంటే సెకండ్ మంత్ తీసుకున్నాం. 1 month before అంటే 1 month. So A join 1 month before H. H join in the month which has only 30 days. So H is only 30 days. Only chance of H and A is here in this case. In this case, H and A chances and H and A also chances. H is only 30 days. Now, neither A nor F join in the August. So if there is a H, A is not possible. So neither A nor F join in the August. Then the only chance for H and A is here. Now, at most 4 persons join between B and D. At most 4 persons means 4 and less than 4. So B and D 4 and less than 4 persons. Next, G joined before D but not immediately before D. G joined before D but not immediately. ఇలా అయితే ఉండాలి కానీ పక్కన ఉండకూడదని చెప్తున్నాడు. At least 2 persons join between E and D. So E and D at least 2 persons and at least 2 అంటే మోర్ దెన్ 2 కంపల్సరీ ఉండాలి కదమ్మా. మరి ఇక్కడ D తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఇక్కడ D తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, at least 2 persons join between E and D. So at least 2 more than 2. F join after March. F join after March. So F after March, F is not August, only chance for here. F join after March, either F, either F. Come on, chudma. E and D more than 2 and only chance for D na. And D ki before there is a chance for G, there is only chance for D, there is only chance for G. But B and D 4 and less than 4, there is only chance for B, there is only chance for G. That's it. All the cases are satisfied. No need to check the second one. Now, who joined 2 months before C? 2 months before C, second month. A. Option B. Option B. Dash joined in the dash of month. C joined in September. No. A is April. No. E is June. No. B is March. Yes. Option D is the right answer. Who joined in February? G. Option B is the right answer. Find the odd one out. B 31 days, A 31 days, C 31 days, D 31 days, E 30 days. Option E is the right answer. How many persons join between E and F? How many persons here? 4 persons, not 4, not 5, 4. Option A. Then there are 3 married couples in the family. Either both or none of the parents are alive. B is the aunt of H's brother. H వాళ్ళ బ్రదర్కి B aunt అంట. Okay. So B is the aunt of H brother. C is the daughter-in-law of G. ఏ హ్యాస్ నో సిబ్లింగ్. అమ్మ ఇక్కడ ఒక డాక్టర్ నాకు ఇంకొక కప్పులు కావాలి కదా, ఎందుకంటే ఐదర్ బోత్ ఆర్ నన్ ఆఫ్ ద పేరెంట్స్ ఆర్ అలైవ్ అని చెప్పాడు. ఇంకొకరు కావాలి. మొత్తం ఎంతమంది ఏం చెప్పలేదు. ఓకే. బి ఈజ్ ద ఆంట్ ఆఫ్ హెచ్ బ్రదర్, సి ఈజ్ ద డాటర్ ఇన్ లా ఆఫ్ జీ. Then A has no sibling, E is a sister-in-law of F, A is the grandfather of D, and father-in-law of E. So okay, D is the daughter of C. Okay ma. So C is the daughter-in-law of G చెప్పాడు. C is the daughter-in-law of G తీసుకోవచ్చు కదమ్మా. G ఇక్కడ కానీ G ఇక్కడ కానీ తీసుకోండి. So C is daughter-in-law అంటే H plus. Then A has no sibling, E is a sister-in-law of F. So E is the sister-in-law of F. Okay. A is grandfather of D and father-in-law of E. So A is the grandfather of D and father-in-law of E. Then ఒకటి చెప్పాడు చూడమ్మా, E is the sister-in-law of F అని చెప్పాడు. ఒక పని చేయండి, ఇక్కడ E తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ F తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ C తీసుకోవచ్చు కదమ్మా. ఇందాక C ఇటు పెట్టచ్చు. సో C is the daughter-in-law of G. So C is the daughter-in-law of G is here. Then A has no sibling. So A has no sibling. The next A is the grandfather of D. So A is the grandfather means G is the mother only. And father-in-law of E. So A is the father-in-law of E is again. And D is the daughter of C. So D is the daughter of C. That's it. All cases satisfied. Now, who among the following person is aunt of D? D aunt ఎవరమ్మా? E అవుతుంది. So option B. Option B. How is C related to H? ఏమవుతారు? brother's wife, sister-in-law. Option D. The 97 to 98 inequalities. Then person going to U to R. So U to P is going, P to R is going. With luggage follows. And T to R they are telling, T to U is going, U to P is going, P to R is going. But going like with luggage. But I want without luggage. Not follows. Next N to S they are asking, N to P is going, P to not possible. There is not possible. Only one. And F to T, F to G is going, and there is no G. F to G, F to K is going, K to L is going, L to T is going. Without luggage follows. S to K, S to V is going, then V to T is going. That is not possible. S to K is not going. U to T, so where is U? U to S is going, S to V is going, V to 2 is going. With luggage. I want also with luggage. Only 1 and 3. Option D. Then L to X they are asking, L to O, L to X they are going. Going like without luggage follows. J to R there is opposite symbols, not follows. Only 1 true. The last question, Y to P there is a not going, not follows. P to U going but without luggage, but I want with luggage, not follows. So neither one, not to follows. Y is equal to U చెప్పాడు. So in the place of Y is equal to U they are saying, so ఇక్కడ Y పెట్టుకుంటే P less than Y and Y less than is equal to P. So P greater is equal to Y. So P and Y is here, P and Y is here. Both subject predicate should be the same kada, ante kada. Y is equal to U they are saying. So Y పెట్టాం, P less than Y అయింది, P greater is equal to Y అయింది. Either or, not neither nor. Option B. Type 2 either or na? Yeah, option B, either or is right answer.